Adding Omnisend to your Shopify store is a simple process that enables you to streamline your marketing efforts. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Omnisend on Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Omnisend. Click on Add App to install it to your Shopify store. Once installed, click Create Account to connect Omnisend to your store. Connect your Shopify store. After creating an account, you'll be prompted to connect your Shopify store. Omnisend will sync your customer data, products and orders, which is essential for personalized email campaigns. Provide the necessary permissions to ensure Omnisend can access your store's data. Set up your email campaigns. Omnisend automatically pulls customer data from Shopify to segment your audience based on behaviors like purchases, browsing, and abandoned carts. Create and automate campaigns like welcome emails, order confirmations, and cart recovery. Design your email templates. Omnisend offers a drag-and-drop email editor. Customize templates to match your branding and automate workflows that send targeted messages based on customer activity. Monitor campaign performance. Use Omnisend's analytics to track the performance of your campaigns. Shopify's integration ensures that metrics like sales and conversions are captured, providing actionable insights.